Hi guys, in today's video we'll do few exercises for strengthening and toning of the arms in a yogic way. So for this you do not need any props, you just need a yoga mat and yourself. So wear something comfortable and hop onto the mat. Namaste, welcome to FitNCalm. This is Tejasvi. So let's start today's practice. We'll just keep our eyes closed. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in and exhale. Bring your awareness to your body. And now let's chant Om once. Breathe in. Om. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more joyful breath in and exhale. And gently open your eyes. Now take your hands at shoulder level and we'll make gentle circles with your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now slowly bring your hands up, bend from your elbows, and then we'll just press it down and up as if you are giving a high five down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Keep your awareness on your breath. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Up and then get your hands back and then again lift up, bend from your elbows and then get the elbows close to each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Relax and release your hands. Just shake your hands and relax. Now slowly come onto your knees and come into the plank pose. Stay there, keep looking in the front. Hold, pull your belly button in. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come into the mountain. If you are having any pain or stretch in your hand, just try to relax it with the help of your breath. And now come again to the plank. Stay there. We'll stay a little longer now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come into the mountain. And we'll do a small flow from here now. Come into the mountain and then chaturanga and then upward facing dog and then again downward facing dog. So if you're not able to do, I'll show you a variation now. You can continue doing that. So you come into the plank, keep the knees down, come into Ashtanga and then come into the cobra and then mountain. So whichever suits you, you take that flow. Okay, let's do it 5 times. Plank, down, up, and then mountain. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stay there. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up into the plank again. So we'll do the last exercise in the plank. Okay, now slowly lift your right hand and touch the left shoulder. 1, and then left hand to the right shoulder. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Come into the mountain, stretch your hands. Now bend your knees and come into the child pose. Stay there. Normalize your breath. Slowly come up. We'll end the practice with few stretches. We'll do gentle rotations with your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Take your hands forward. With the help of the right hand, just push the left wrist towards your right shoulder. Straight. The other side. Push. Once again. And release. Take the left hand behind and place it on the right shoulder. With the help of your right hand, just pull the left elbow towards yourself. Pull them and release. The other hand, right hand goes on the left shoulder and then pull. Release and relax. Now catch both the elbows above your head and stretch it out. Stretch out a little, stretch out and relax. You can add this small practice to your daily routine along with other videos in our channel. Thank you so much for joining us. Do like, share and subscribe. See you soon.